Welcome to Dame Academy.
Connect Plus Primary 3, Term 1. Look, listen, and read.
Siwa Oasis is a very interesting place in the desert. People have lived here for thousands of years. The desert is hot and dry, but in an oasis there is water. People can grow trees and plants and look after animals. I've visited Siwa Oasis with my family. We ate lots of fruit. We saw some monuments and we swam in the spring.
How is an oasis formed? Listen and number.
Rain falls to the ground. The rain soaks into the earth. The rain makes rivers and lakes under the ground. Water comes up to the surface of the ground in a spring. An oasis is a place where there is a big spring or lots of springs.
Listen and read.
There are many different plants and trees at an oasis. They make the oasis a special place. The desert is hot, and the trees and plants give people food, medicine, and shade. Farmers grow tall date palm trees. They can sell dates in Egypt and all over the world. We can cook with dates or eat them whole. People also use the leaves of date palm trees to make baskets. Olive trees grow here as well. People eat olives, cook with olives, and make olive oil. Olives are very good for you. The wood from the olive tree is hard, and we can make useful things from it, such as bowls and spoons. Acacia trees are old and very special. They provide shelter for people and animals. They protect the oasis from sandstorms. Tamarisk trees also protect the oasis from sandstorms. They are smaller than acacia trees, and they have pretty pink flowers. People can grow spearmint in an oasis. This is a herb. It can be a medicine, or you can put it in food or drink. Basil is another herb. It is very good for you. It has lots of vitamins and minerals in it, and you can make medicine from its oil. It's delicious in food, too.
Listen and read. Where does water travel from and to? The water cycle.
Where does water come from? Water travels from the land to the sea in a process called the water cycle. These are the stages.
Evaporation.
Let's start on the ground. Heat from the sun makes water in the sea, in lakes, and in rivers start to evaporate. The water turns into vapor. This vapor rises up into the atmosphere.
Condensation.
As the air rises, it starts to cool. This makes the water vapor condense into drops of water. These join together to make clouds.
Precipitation.
Wind moves the clouds in the sky. The clouds get bigger and heavier. Precipitation is when water falls from the clouds as rain, snow, or hail. When rain falls on high ground, it runs down mountains and hills as rivers. This is runoff. The rivers start small and narrow. They get deeper and wider as they gather more water. Rivers run to the sea, and the cycle starts again with evaporation. Some water soaks into the ground. This is groundwater. It flows into rivers and lakes under the ground. These can come back to the surface as a spring. A spring can become a river or a lake. The water evaporates and the cycle starts again.
Listen and read. Why does it rain? 1.
The sun makes water hot. Hot water turns to vapor.
2.
Steam rises to make clouds.
3.
Wind makes the clouds move.
4.
The clouds get colder. Water falls from the sky as rain or snow.
Listen and read. What are the different types of water?
There are two types of liquid water: fresh water and salt water. Rivers and lakes have fresh water in them. The water comes from precipitation and springs. Seas and oceans have salt water in them because rain washes minerals from the land and from rocks. These minerals go into the sea in runoff water. Rivers don't have salt water because the rain keeps fresh water moving through them.